And hello, I'm Mike Brooks. Here's a look at some of today's top stories from 2 Works for You. A major Tulsa energy company is moving down I-44 to Oklahoma City, taking jobs along with it. Tulsa-based WPX Energy is merging with Devon Energy in a $2.6 billion deal. This deal moves nearly 400 WPX employees to Devon's headquarters in the city. An email sent to WPX employees shows the closing, after meeting certain approvals, is set to take place in early 2021. The state health department is reporting 861 new COVID-19 cases in Oklahoma. This brings the total to more than 85,000 cases since March. The death toll sits at 1,007 with 1 new reported death. In the meantime, though, more than 70,800 Oklahomans have recovered from the virus. As children head back to school, the CDC has released new data about COVID-19 in kids. This agency is reporting over 277,000 children were diagnosed with coronavirus between March 1st and September 19th. Infection rates were twice as high in children between 12 and 17 years old as those between 5 and 11. Pediatric cases peaked in July, decreased in August, and then plateaued in September, but that could be due to a decline in testing. Tulsa election officials are working overtime to make sure the November 3rd election goes as smoothly as possible. Now, because of the pandemic, many people are voting by absentee ballot. The Tulsa County Election Board says that they've mailed out about 47,000 absentee ballots so far. They expect to mail out more than 100,000 total by the time they're done. That's 5 times the number they normally send out. If you plan to vote absentee, you have until October 27th to request a ballot. Let's go ahead and take a look at your forecast right here. A cool night ahead of us. That's what the meteorologists tell me. A warm day on Wednesday and what could be a wet weekend ahead of us. But those are the temperatures looking ahead. That's a look at some of the stories making headlines for you today. Of course, stay with 2 Works for You for updates throughout the day. We'll see you soon.